The mihi animas chataratole. Give me souls, take away the rest. Father John po, STB. We are now in the first Sunday of Lent. And in our journey as we enter this season of Lent, our liturgy for today is presenting to us the reality of the presence of the devil, who is among us, who is doing his job to destroy our faith, to disconnect us from God. Kasi ito yung ginawa niya sa first reading, that he questioned, Adam and Eve, is that really what the Lord commanded you to do? Yan ba talaga yung sinabi niyang dapat ninyong gawin at hindi niyo dapat gawin? Then suddenly he mentioned, but you are free. You can do what you want. No, but when you eat this fruit, you will be the one deciding what is right and what is good. Ikayo ang bahala magdidesisyon para sa sarili nyo. As if that He is really removing the presence of God sa buhay natin. And that is what the devil wants us to do, that we forget or really choose not to put God among us. Na ilagay ang Panginoon sa buhay natin. And this is the challenge. But kinontradict ito ng ating pangalawang pagbasa. That we should acknowledge the grace that God has given us. And that is the presence of Jesus among us. Because through the presence of Jesus, we were able to endure all the evil things around us. All we have to do is to acknowledge Him and to accept Him, to believe in Him. And there are so many great things that will happen to us. Even the forgiveness of our sins. Yan yung grasyang pinapakita sa atin, contradicting what the devil wish us to do. And that is to reject God. But the second reading is telling to us, no, acknowledge God. And there you will see great things happening into your life. Kung kaya nga po ang ating ebanghelyo, taken from the Gospel of Matthew chapter 4 verse 1 to 11, this is the temptation of Jesus. Dito, tao ang ating Panginoon. And He was tempted to the things that we are being tempted also daily in our life. Those three major sins, pinakita sa atin, the temptation of the flesh, the temptation of material things and power, and the temptation towards our faith. Ito yung pinagdaanan ng ating Panginoon. And He was tested like us by the devil. Pero saan humugot ng lakas ng isasagot ang ating Panginoon? In the Scriptures. In the words of God. Amidst temptations, trials, and pains in our life when the devil is playing us, our liturgy for today is telling to us, kumapit ka sa Diyos. Kumapit ka sa salita, pangako ng ating Panginoon. And you will be able to endure the temptation of the devil. At sino ba itong salita? At sino ba itong pangako? Like in our second reading, it is mentioned. It is Christ. Kumapit tayo sa Diyos, kay Hesus Kristo, sa panahon kung saan tayo'y humaharap ng matinding pagsubok sa buhay. And through His presence, we will overcome all these pains, this evil, these temptations, these pains in our life. My dear friends, my dear brothers and sisters, I think this is the message of our celebration for today. As we celebrate the first Sunday of Lent, we are being told to go back, to acknowledge once again the presence of God in us through Jesus. There, we will see the beauty of life, and there, we will start to renew our life and be connected once again to our God, to our brothers and sisters. So once again, my dear friends, God bless us all.